There was for a higher GC news. Mima Obibia Akwaba. I had the latest hot nkwa era me bramo. Erunti so when subscribe to channel idea but more than say o be subscribe. The way I say o be click the subscribe button, you know. Now wa barely notification, you know. We had this video for be upload, you know. With the first person once ebeka yes video afi ubia na wa like video, you know. Give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na we nya bi hwe na wo hu ensemo a ekoso ewo Ghana be mo hadam afi yembura ye ensemo a ababeto yepno so yetie eye sa report eye sa nkomo ya ababeto ya mo yetie
me pese me ma Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources tiase mea minipa na dano Honorable Emmanuel Amakufiboa senior galamsey fight no anya conference. me adie bi ameka ho asem da akene me bom nkae nne. Galamsey fight no mo de ye conference symposium ba ko no so kra friend say dialogue then deba
public forum
otchere me seven.
What's what Gyamfi?
Minjao. Oh, Gyamfi means Minjao. I would have Akufo Addo go today. Any public forum, let me sit here and tell you, Emfa. Eh? It's the way we fight corruption in this country. Oman we won, Omanya any serious was so corruption home, Ghana. Me ma catch from your Ghana man penin ne, we are Ghana skamekum fatu trim. Me mayen koya say na. And I call Supreme Court am ruling and no, you will die. Ghana happen will be we are bicycle and a sorpenny cause the tithe the good Ghana must go. Na kwa sorry them. Me mekum and we are to say suffer solo. I'm sorry human right. Yeah, what human left no. Yeah mo yeah then. You see, there are useless things in this world that it actually do nothing but retard Africa from developing. And these are the things we follow. Rule of law. Yes, I agree. If you are BBA, the man in front of so, but you need to potin pa, Sir Abraham. Sike, say, you got ambulance. Abraham, Eddie. What's the name? Me mekum
firing squad.
Oh, that be mean kobo to.
Okay.
By a free court what do prison hono.
We're crashing.
And answer what that hono. No, one no be chinsuo. Wo be ba fie baby o sika no wakura wo hu na wa kire mo abusu afafadi. Ya be sanji we japade nyina. Look, me if I were the president, Ofori atta me do nyame by now INTERPOL issue statement. Domama te ho na odi Ofori atta ho agro. Domama wo to ho na odi Ofori. Wo de tra na ba na ye de bo otchere na da bedroom ho enkoy. So adu you say ba na ye de bo otchere sa ba ne kwa afi ayeba se on ye nkakra gu meko jenne abani nyini.
Wo de ahye kresi mu.
O ka se Bediatuo Agyarko ma na Ofori atta te America ono Ofori atta na ti nya akukuduro se meba Ghana me really Ofori atta ti nya akukuduro I issue statement meba Ghana me really how I wish I were. INTERPOL ni America communicate ya be so through hospital bed so abagana wo yare wo offer Akufo Addo osi we see hospital wo Kumase wa ko bia no be se koda ho me yensa wo yare next time wu ko ba be sua nyansa edin Ofori atta ofa nto so bio mu dada wawu na Ofori atta ti bia nya akukuduro so da hospital nti yema ne kwan me na nya na Addo no si agenda 111 no. Yey, nyana na Addo no si agenda 111. Aha, nyana na Addo so we bia kumawu hospital ano no. Ada na Ofori atta ankwada ho. Na enkrofo te Ghana ha. Ya di jimi ene yare eye MPP ene NDC. Ya dwen ya adwumanti. Wo kwa kan say, "Hey, akwa ni di atem." Sa wonim nyansa. I can't bet me at Kotra Facebook. Actually, be a supporting Ofori atta. You are useless. Do you know why? Well, first, can we are in America or the hospital in America? Me yare here. A friend say, Montomuruso clinic. When you can here, what the Asante region? MPP. Also, winning Yaza. Once I win Yaza. The whole wide world hospital and the board in America. I want to Ofori atta. Hospital would deposit $110,000 as your help. So we are foreigner, no one insurance. You deposit $110,000 as your account. I want to Ofori atta. Then we will take on her headings and four. You can see, hey, Captain Smart did at him. Me, and I'm hopping from one TV station to the other, one radio station to Ujimia station. What to them call? Cause me and them Sir, on mine say now you say we are decorous with your language. Nonsense. Oh yes, you can know him say nyansa or ha. You're nipa ho. Oh, Captain, I are tobo. Asame can work all. And no crana na won can Captain. Never na ya na would attempt. Nonsense. No already know him so a minister. Hey, when we are mine, woman him some nipa. Sometimes I wonder the kind of things that go through our minds. Or that the most expensive hospital in the whole world. Yes, to Christo mpo, ya wuninyamuom, can Ofori atta, or that the most expensive hospital in the world. Yes, to Christo, yes, to Christo. Mohammed yare here, I was so hard. The year your friend said Kaduna, and Khadija. And of quantity habai and the son yade can Ofori atta order the most expensive hospital in this whole wide world. Now we're telling you could not Mahama to war. Hey, Mahama, hey. Bibi fine. Because some man 1 year, a man in John, Bibi correct. Now, Akwa the hospital bed so I want the most expensive hospital in the world. Now let's do some calculation. Mamin kase minchero. Who be the finance minister? Waketua enya hibia. Eti when the bob was asika na no a. Or that the most expensive hospital in this world. We are seeing now most expensive hospital. I want to can Ofori atta da. Oh yes, so I catch a Ghana for and say, Mafia, also no on Ghana for your salary, only Akufo Addo yepe. So mummy no mempeno chrono. It is a say chrome has all catch someone power catria, you better for some waje. Where Antibi, Antema, Mr. Nyama, Mr. Shando, and many abre. It's more wait your no more monitor me, more than a tear for so among Kaime. Cause and many abre. Sure. Chrome has a say pie at hey. So catch say and say, we must market to your wonji, you better for some waje. Nanado, me to way, Bisano. If you are sad, President to swear in Yade Shawon Sano, as a red, gold, green. Bisa Akufo Addo. Kufo dia ye swear in we as attorney general the rest you just to castle me na me koma no bisa no Akufo Addo so wu mu musa me na me koma no me na me koi oja ho oso onje akatiada so boa check on in abusuafo ade a wo mo dia ye o me look abai bia mbagana ha we pra aban way or mine way around led administration. I am telling you today, and nobody be home. You can't watch him by your say, Ebia, ye near Castle Debbie. See, you see the train, Ebbe Farim. Wabra, a quite quota crying, with the train. Oh, Ghana for, yeah, the train. Eba be fewiem wa bra montomuno so tafo kenti krono Asawase, Ashaman, Tantra Hills, Achimota Kwanye, you see the train, ever 5 years. Now you see Nipana, Okoye train, ever 5 years, whom come on, Okodin come on, you see Okodin come on. Yaman $2 million, or the Kodin come on, made the train, ever 5 years. And we became Ofori atta. Or that the most expensive hospital. My catcher, Ofori atta or your investment banker, or you're just a banker. Every investment banker in this world is a thief. Take it or leave it. Because when we say and baby, that is the primary responsibility of an investment banker. Paul banker, Anna Ote Canada, Prince Edward Islands, or proposing what we call invest and vest. Investment or banking or the guy was a serious hardened criminal in Canada. He realized that Sika wetimi area no, wetimi de sie baby a obi antimi hu. Entino sasa tie de ya esese or project or yes studies now how that can be factored into financial policies, banking and finance. We are supposed to be a friend minority report. They are trying to book and one as Africans. And sometimes I wonder, your lecturers, could I ask if at the end of your lectures, research allowance into no to me no research. Ghana penny your senior high school ni laptop. Na lecturer now or senior high school or invest or who laptop that. So investment bank be or was so what they are thieves. And this report is not coming from me. Go and read the Pricewaterhouse report. America. Time a chrono kesia pa. Basin America drink Montiase. Pricewater. Basin it is in that report that every investment banker is a thief. It's in that report. I am not the one saying it. So if you want to go to court, go. But what I know is that per whatever that had transpired in America, every investment banker in this world is in quote termed as a thief. You know what they do? There, I think I told a fear or somebody. Said Dana ye vete Ofori atta or can say or offshore account to pay na me yam shame. Because every investment banker be or peso pra nipano or offshore account. Now watch this. Offshore accounts. There were a bia makumakumi and sawa sasuha. Offshore accounts. Say see a honey 1 year old pretty. America buying beko, Germany beko, France beko, Switzerland beko, UK beko, Ubwa, number 1 Canaan Islands. So this is our offshore account. Now let me tell you, offshore account, you're creating by heart. You bet me a create offshore account no or Qatar. But no offshore account no, you manage was Switzerland. Yet we ebia was Switzerland. Now you manage was Canada. An offshore account obien who nim details be a wakura what to say fiat ago or to the machine who no hear me no kurano. Onim where the account was created and how was security me bem. She can only monitor that Sikabi free. Now I sending mail. I'm an boss. Nani boss I approve it. Finito. Offshore. And no. Offshore next I say who free a poso aba from. Now we want your fisherman. We are then a humongo. And the very day Ofori atta told us our vetting committee said our offshore account and I'm shaming. Canaan Islands, Grenada, Hong Kong. Hong Kong crowd there west. You the light. Bonsa baby a bank no one. You the Kania etwa weshia na why you shrine. Why be that so do? Why do you say? And one no Hong Kong. So be the sika kosie wo Hong Kong na. Why do you say Switzerland the whole safe? Wo boa Hong Kong. Offshore accounts bebreba African leaders ewia sika nipa no onimi nyansa ewa Africa how this sika kosie Switzerland former Nigerian Prime Minister Abacha also akwanso Jimmy sa Abacha was twice richer than Nigeria. Meboa. Let's yen calculation. Abayne term led by Akufo Addo already 13.5 billion US dollars. Say bonds. TBU Ghana for already 13.5 billion US dollars. Bonds nkwa. Srebe. Enema maku 13 na Akufo Addo aye okurum ha. Yebetimi de aka ho asem. Sasika de way. Bisa wo de bisa ho. Sa wo de wonje hwini. Bisa wo say sa 13.5 billion dollars no. Wo mo de ye den. Agenda 111. Nana Addo Katre say in total he needs about 3.7 billion dollars. And so we Ondu baby o agenda 111 endu baby a Bawa Mahama o say 1.7 billion per ye de baby enya na make hu but Ofori atta at the hospital most expensive hospital urafi je ku for time is it a Kospio Gabra and o mkwachi no asoro dem na ana da bi ananya no a forgotten me anam ka ho bi na me dimbi one of our NDC former ministers be or was sorry them and ya dimrika koko so hene ka ho na yakwache no no obi a osum Yankopon kura ye che no and the hotel hospital can Ofori atta the hospital now we timi anya kukuduro man lawyer issue statement said obeba May oh sir obi ashum obi phone e was sacre ya buna maka pa na wawu. I am not saying sir the oria mobile phone no why o that's not what I'm saying but the main part and say obi at Ghana ha wakotwa obi board ye ya buna to pop abantani wu say ya me no ka say obi o ha obehwem your friend say Professor Christopher Miyo Ekumfi ya titi wofa okope national chairman or report all one say NI before Alfredo NI before our friend Professor Christopher Miyo Ekumfi no won ti ase obetre fia kekanse hunu da bi o obi ankasa prof awieska o ba answer na prof eko gift no na $250 million said that ho Mahama last State of the Nations address he mentioned that money. Prof, a simple question. Sa $250 million no wo koton ye ane wan koton ane sa wo koton ya e dan na sign e simple. Yay, Professor Christopher Miyo Ekumfi ane be wu ya kura no ya frɛ no. Na yesi obi that the most expensive hospital in this world. In any case, yedi hospital wa Ghana on. Wow, we MPP ni wuti kroma o keka nkwasi asem. Ye ka cho se jajimi no na ye nyina ye ntena fie ne ye ndwe no man ne ho a. What mean tie? Me MPP ni. Okay, continue. Once a wo yare a. Your man who so La Paz community. Your man who so La Paz community. ye wie ya ne amauso odododio polyclinic ye mouse say whom chepesie chip compound ye mouse a po twani miyansa kote ya aboa chip compound ne ye de wakoto ho na wote wo sa wo ye MPP ni wo sa wo ni miyansa so wo ni miyansa ye kan ye say Captain Smart odi atem akwa ni muade really mimi muade woni me ye get closer to me you know the other side of this man sitting here me open ho asema na wo share me microphone and I be kuta me nsem me ye share me mic and I dey kuta me nsem a minimo bia o na mani afura ade ba kopa me hu ye Ghana asa it is a kind of Ofori atta say Akufo Addo hospital wo kroma ha other than hospital wo kroma ha. This is the man and the 3 year and a year of America. Okwaje paracetamol. COVID buy yes wenya headache. It's your America's finance minister. Mewa. Says here away. And we sit in this country and we make fun. We garnish and we massage issues as if there's no tomorrow. Look, let me state this again. I am not interested in heaven. I am interested in making Ghana a better place. Listen to me once again. I am a Christian, a good standing member of the Church of Pentecost. But sitting here, I am not interested in heaven. Oh, it wish me, I don't talk heaven to me. Me, I am not interested in heaven. So don't preach heaven to me. I am interested in making Ghana a better place. Baby, a Bible fiba, you know. One more good roads. Baby, a Bible fiba, you know. One more better airlines. Baby, a Bible fiba, you know. One more quality medical care. Baby, a Bible fiba, you know. Any pa comment now on your dianity. What to come had the Jimmy? Some may call heaven, Messi share, Japade. Heaven, Messi, Niben, on him. Carpenter Ben or heaven, what the Ghana has a winning. Ah, Sammy Messi near or heavier. With him the telephone number. Yay, plumber bang, and a what heavier. Who him the sister? What friend and the phone and do my other friend and sister? Messi Nina breacher in no trap blocks. And was asked so. Who didn't know of our heavy? And ye take from her, near Tonquasianum. Ye think was your preaching. Messi share, Japade was so, and when I come for the one and can you pam Satan? Satan no head on heavy. I am not interested in heaven. Me, I am not interested in heaven. You can judge me in any way that you think. I know you wasn't. Hey, obey me. The watching you be and obey me for fear. But me has to say, I am not interested in heaven. When my dear Medri who says, yeah, who are we a Ghanani? When you're Dianedi Ghanani, when you're quite papa faso. Ghana ni Obabenya school papa. Ghana ni hospital papa na obeko. Ghana ni adwuma wo ho uwie school no anya bia ye. Heaven there eno ye wo wasam gene ho me I am not me person makwa heaven. Se woni ma me ka kira wo na plane. Eti wo shame na wo ye sofo afa clerical to gotem. Don't come and preach heaven to me. Because me baby Nyankopon tene na mpesa me koho me mpe heaven me mpe heaven and me mpe hell heaven ni hell be sadia two way na me mpe because forget about heaven say see am say come to me I say heaven say am say obi ni fie wura tudu we say heaven. Say ya meti hey obi maami yare da hospital what's in heaven yeah let me tell you something na see am member adwuma no Kofo fi said ya me papa you frame me papa minim say wa no wa yare fin me ka story bi a kire o na you frame me putupuru K, I'm say yes, me friend me mommy said that ma that what to say or say you na ya jo papa to hospital. Na the papa here no there ajo ba. Tell Friday and ajo by 1 a.m. Saturday pa na ya tuka. Wọ́n sẹ́ mi tuka. Sẹ́ nye nyame adom. Ena me wo kaa ne bi. Ena nyame adom. Media general foto me ka na mabobo ano kakra. Manfa nye ma asem. Eti me wo kakra da ho. Akama da na me kwa akofa papa bankran. Ye kodu mankasim Catholic hospital. Nurses and doctors always na nyame hira mo. Abraham, o ma hwa me papa fine. But they do baby no na oxygen and me papa here no na enye enough. It will so the more now cow. You are sitting here telling me what? Say Captain sorry and I know ya. Ato me papa o, me papa. Uncle Bob, me papa Jimmy, asam na me kano. Ato no. So when I was just looking up in the skies, and I can say me ko America. Tampa General. I want to go to Akufo Hospital kakraka. What do you say? What down queen na nurse ba? What do you say? Me na won pa queen na doctor ba? Na ehode age wutie doctor Ghana pena patient iwua na wo a wo hwa no dibirika doctor nipa mra hospital your friend nipa mra your friend doctor and nurse. Me who beat that doctor no share me papa our Catholic hospital Roman hospital our mankasim catch them say captain me who beat that your friend say Abraham oxygen cylinders in mienu na ya combine na sim papa so. What are you talking about? Oxygen is 100% no me papa dey do 42 from 100 to 42 yeah transfer me papa every hospital bed no so akọ ambulance ni mu no ho. Watch this. Doctor ne catch them say after 35 seconds say oxygen in see me papa so a obewu me can be me de nika na fin cry and a boot na shame did speed I call here from heart to mankasim no only God knows nyame na save yen. I was running 200 kilometers per hour. Because I was going to save my dad. Doctors, the nurses said, "Well, Catholic hospital, Roman hospital, they did so well. And the doctor catch him say, "Yeah, transfer papa from the ward." Ako ambulance him, baby ambulance no one. Abraham, I bet to say free her. Eko car park na so. One catch him say, "One need mobile oxygen. It's aje kwabrane swa oxygen to na battery." Edi tumirika whilst my dad so as he said need tumirika ekotum eti doctor can on your marks get set ready p na Godwin any Moses eso oxygen cylinder no gidi na national ambulance service for so e pia me papa ye dudu ne dey see so papa no as any sin so ni edini dibirika ambulance no di animu mimi di akire imadi machi yede me papa dimirika papa mani nyina tutu aka me nsem I don't know who to call and I'm a friend honorable your friend saying health minister friend saying Akando honorable Kwabena Agyarko, thank you for saving the life of my dad. I truly appreciate this. I will never forget what you did. Who be a winning Kwabena Agyarko number the friend na catch say me say nyame nshira no. And I'm first honorable. This is what is happening to my dad. Also, no, don't worry. Try referral and send me. Maybe Bedu, University of Ghana Medical Center. Na home minister Ojinaho. Dr. Agala and other doctors. Train. You didn't go through ho. Pa. Odada ho. Sa hospital na ewa America no wo dream heaven ho ebi organ hunting kanye can Ofori atta koti bible chain obi a ade no yare ye 1 month organ na wakoda America hospital Yay! Roma asofo, omo yare mu yade ya, omko check up abrochire. What to come what to offer inside to tight inside Jimmy sa ye Kenyan sesam kire Ghana ni a umpeso beti tight in the betua me mekoso tua me tight me tua so because tight in the me tua say obi ye me tua say the kosi asodan because asodan menya konwa tena so me tua tight so obi ya ba me hwe me tua tight say sofo no onye adwuma bi anka ho bosumu so say tua Pentecost sofo eka Kofi atakora wi afi bosumu so betua nka say me tua tight the TV de tua nka ono so nya daje I research into the Bible we be preach akere me asa me nyama de say me kotua tight so obi be kira me hwe but say nyame be kira me say me tua tight na nyame asem I don't have the time to think about that afode so dem ko asori a mebo me mo afode say me twen say mabo afode ti nyame kira me by force no me ni sa daje no me bo afode because of Anko Central ye instruments atetia pansam speakers e ho ina say so for preach ko ate kwi na de na dum enu ti na metua offering me ba afode wa so dem nyesa me twen say nti nyame be hira me because ma ba afode no say nyame be hira me say ma ba afode a enu ye nyame asem I am not interested in heaven sa niama we any ade a pray in Africa ukokan say hey don't say it what you say. It is our hospital now. Can Ofori atta da. Ewa America no. Sa Akufo Addo $2 billion out of 13 billion. Edisi ba ko krom ha ntinkanye. Yay. $13.5 billion. Sa Akufo Addo $2 billion out of 13.5. Edisi one of such hospital. Ewa Ghana ha etinganye mwa na wuti krom ha ya koka hey me MPP ni we MPP ni che hwan krom ha and you see let me be sincere ma hu say Ghana asa memuo no eni adane ma realizing even though it's early days yet say temtem dodo to congratulate Joma. Me money pa baso by heart. Who ma me catch no. Me a perfectionist. Eti nipa bi oba me bi say oh you are looking for the right woman. You are looking for the right no. That's me. I am like Kwame Nkrumah. I believe in the ideal situation. I believe in the perfect thing. Sa Ghana ni yare any question for America because Donald Trump or yare say on Matchoko clinic. We had another catch up said Donald Trump, Yaro, Beba Choco. The Choco in the Kurano pass the time on credit, Yamana, I spy. Donald Trump of Heather or Choco. Teddy crack Checo. Would you Teddy? Yeah, also come here to the bar, Checo. Now Donald Trump, I better Checo. Or better than what Checo. But what the upper man, John Mahama, Nanado, Kufo, 1 year say, Obeko, Los Angeles, California, Chicago, Japan, Paris. So what he said about you know, yeah, that is a check off. Check, yes, yeah. Ya tunkwasi ya diwo kroma kote ya abua. When we dia ya toto. Ye wi ya so bo TV so a chese we dey wase yo na me na me so akro no hini so onto kro ni kote ya aboa hwa ya mobo wa hudinya ya toto we dey come home kote ya aboa hwa ya mobo na Donald Trump yare ani ya daba hwa ya mobo James compound Captain Smart kasam si hey akwade muade Donald Trump obejini ni anase nese ewo hwa ya mobo hwa ya mobo eyampo we ya beba no sora ho machi na woni so chere odware so yin egu so a na hwa ya tese pane ani kete hwa so ya mobo ampa hwa ya mobo mebwa. The reality is what I am telling you. Anytime you want to deal with the reality, let me sit here and tell you today, the reality knows nobody. You can be told the real things with insult. Nobody cares about that. Abraham Lincoln said that, I may be soft, and I was soft, and I am soft. But I have come to know and appreciate that the American must be insulted to appreciate salt in my language. I have come to appreciate that the American must be insulted to appreciate the salt in my language. You sit in this country, fake people. From managing directors to managers to presidents to MPs we are all fake people. Africans, we are fake. We are all fake people. You're fake out to understand, say. You per se JB Traha. Oh. I damn not said you sit here no one. You per se, yes, say. Kwasia. And or turn a boase. Etu Jimmy Forfu. Otum for the kind, yam kind. Who took Kwasia for and Fabo train to Kwasia for? So be a Kwasia, Yemfa about train to the fool. Kwasia be here so true. Oshimihene, buy ta me, ye wasafo, me, ye wasafo. Oba, akwamfie, ye tuba, buy for mekai, akwamihene dada, otunufa, padi intie, no 240 no. Wutu buy for, buy intie, buy or kono chansase, no ton, oh chansase, no ton, buy. I remember someday, I come in Frank Chazeminia, the way. So say to so mu ahun, be mo say. Kwasia, ye tunu fa ye mfa krokro na etu kwasia fo. Ye hwe na ni so, me na ni so dan ho say wan. Otu fo friend, ohwimhene. Da be last week mo and this week here. Oba ne bu nkotoje. Oto waji na ni so. Ni nua ba abere wa poso. Oba no be ka tell say, ye friend me akosu anya me say, ma me wudi nya me say mbodie. Na say all the bro some there. The most important thing is say, they hear what some na ma me be kan ni mu ni say. Na watu ba ye fo saa wantie. Na say ba ye je sotro e wo tumfo ani so. Efri say kwasia ye mfa hobrase ntu kwasia fo. Krom ha ye pese ye di akrokro etu kwasia fo. Me minim saa de ne ye. Bisam ma me bisam papa biso bi oni me se be kama dwen a kire wa wo ye hwan me kama dwen a kire wo. Wo pa pemasem wo pa time no ye wo business. I don't give a damn to that o. Cause me to say here no ade a ebeye me ya e wa asase so pa ne se me sore na me nkwani ho. They can they forget it. Na yet krom ha de ye krokro nipa na nipa wia oman sika John me ka kire wo Interpol enguyi esa by now can Ofori atta ne wofa sanikaz on ne dem kwa ne Akufo Addo ne cousin so Asante Adorye see hospital yeah Asante Adorye see hospital in Ghana ada can Ofori atta that hospital in America. Adenta, why is he in hospital? Ewa America. Nenye kwati ya abua shwa ya mobo. Cheni miyansa. Ya tunkwasi ya dinse ya uko biye wanu kwa kapepepa isi hey Captain Smart. Okay huhu samu TV so eyobi kuro mudi. Edini mina mtoi. Former energy minister, your friend saying Boakye Agyarko oko parliament ko bobo so hwe ya mobo kote ya aboa academy answer sa ho chips compound ho sa hospital ho ada ne kan Ofori atta nkoda ho na kan Ofori atta say Akufo Addo si hospital wo krom ha na waja hoko akoda hospital wa America, the most expensive hospital in the world. Hospital America president to cry fan nko because no boarding. ehona wakoda America president in more military hospitals America soldier didn't cause strike soldier nurse doctor physician whatever they call themselves they don't go on strike and also and them man warful but Ofori atta at the hospital and the most expensive hospital in this whole world. Now when you kukudro actual letter bregana for say meba me really I mean fine on to Honorable Emmanuel Amakofibua, I am repeating what I told you from the beginning of the show. Galamsey fight no enye conference dialogue public forum symposium. We've gone beyond that. I want to see action. Who said that the Ghana Armed Forces cannot fight? The other day I said something. Nankrofon tiase. Me say 1844 training in the Ghana Armed Forces ni yenjai. Enemy jai kaun. Yeah, Ghana Armed Forces the requisite logistics. Arana mini soja ni bi di kwaro se me ye bampani a ade bi e de kokun bi a obenya bi eti obi de kun ba yenko ye bekun soja fo e wo Ghana ha ka yetimi pia me makwa yiye wo mankasim a ye pia soja ka GA dash me pesa me bo 7 na bibi to aso be bo pay be hu car kono ntimi mo for security reasons ni ye pia pick up ye pia na say ya was soldier for okrum ha no so mo ko peacekeeping na individual brilliance it me ma Ghana a movie from the bottom to the top because individual military officers mo brilliance no wow so very overwhelming aya na bro for kra ntia say Dr. Tam that say you're a Ghana ni soldier ni no peacekeeping. The way you're dressing, the way you're kasa, the way you're still holding a weapon or cleaning a weapon or tutu shishe, yena die, yeni bibia to say no, these guys are well trained. What if they say a hono logistics papa wo ho and near more de be ye adwuma say soldier ni no ebi ho or back from ha ye the soldier ni chesi obi a wakotwu mobile phone. Because Ghana police for no woman so kura kwesansa the same. Kwesansa the same. Opia mensa anti grace edumfa nikunu. Ose bato sande wala wonyim nte is because kwesansa the same. Yasa no. Eti Ghana Armed Forces esi wokwa. Who told you they can't fight? Your friend saying galamsey. Who told you they can't? Ghana Armed Forces in penny for pay leader obetimi a divorce politics from nation building. Here we are looking for an abusia penia obetimi ama politics any amanyo emubete politics ni twi enya manyo sem it's a lie. So politics ni twi enya manyo sem a ka manyo fo wi ayen. We are looking for a leader who will be bold enough to offer the divorce certificate between politics and nation building. Wopa my president Emma order say fear nekwe Ghana Police Service, Ghana Armed Forces, led by the National Security. I am giving you guys 72 hours. I say galamsey end wo Ghana ha mi do nyame. Obi oye galamsey bia be kofi. Because obi asro adanu bitie Emmanuel Amakofibua. Osere And the guy, the illegal miners are holding sophisticated weapons and then, Nana Wunim. You knew, my brother.
Yo, waiting for winning and somewhere about it. Yep, so because so when you subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. Now, feel while like video and give us a thumbs up. Now, share my or for so now when you be here now and somewhere so we're gonna make Mahama. Also, bet me otchere wadwin afa ye and some way you comment box in mo. Obeti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.